Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with SageMaker Pipelines using AWS credentials, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with SageMaker Pipelines using AWS credentials, begin by ensuring you have the AWS command line interface installed on your. Open your terminal or command prompt to verify the installation by typing AWS version. If the AWS CLI is not installed, follow the official AWS documentation to set it up. Next, you need to configure your AWS credentials. To do this, type AWS configure in your terminal. You will be prompted to enter your AWS access key ID. Input your access key ID and press enter. Then, enter your AWS secret access key when prompted. Next, specify the default region name you want to use. For example, you can enter US East 1 or any other region relevant to your project. Finally, enter the output format you prefer, such as JSON. Now, you are ready to create an IAM role for SageMaker. Log into your AWS Management Console and navigate to the IAM dashboard. Select Roles from the left sidebar. Click on the Create Role button. Select the AWS service as the trusted entity type. Then, choose SageMaker as the service that will use this role. Click Next, Permissions to attach policies to the role. Search for and select the policies that fit your access needs, such as Amazon SageMaker Full Access. Click Next, Tags and optionally add tags to your role for easier management. Proceed to Next, Review to set a name and description for your role. Review the information and click on the Create Role button to complete the process. Once your role is created, navigate to the SageMaker console. Select the Pipelines option from the left sidebar. Click on the Create Pipeline button. Under the Execution Role section, select the IAM role you just created. Fill in the necessary details for your pipeline, including name and input parameters. Once all configurations are complete, click the Create Pipeline button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.